Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Now before this video begins, over a month ago I put out this community post where I mentioned that we were very close to getting the channel monetized, and we've been monetized for about like 2 weeks now. So in this community post I said that whoever left a comment on it was going to get a shout out in one of my upcoming videos, and well, here it is. It is a little bit late, I do apologize, but here we go. I want to give a shout out to Toasty Penguins, Sergio Hurtado, Ian Watson, Tevi Lee, Akupo, and Noodleship. Thank you very much for your support, for your comments, I do appreciate it, as well as everybody else who was just watching the videos and enjoying the content. I do appreciate your support in helping me get this channel monetized. So with that out of the way, let's get on with the video. What's up everyone? We got everyone out here.
Let's go.
Got the squad.
And we're working on this guy's truck again because this thing's kind of a piece of junk. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
All right, so we're gonna be putting some wheel spacers on it, make it look a little bit more aggressive. I got I don't even know what type of wheel spacers these are, but they just work.
They're black.
They're black.
That's all that matters.
You know, the race is all that matters right here. You know, what they say, once you go black, you never go back. So
of course. I'm leaving that in.
Okay, so then I got these Monroe shocks for the back end. I'm gonna get the Monroe for the front end. We're just gonna do the back end today. You know, you guys all like the back end, right?
Of course.
It's the only place you can hit it from.
Hey! We're gonna start by jacking up the front end. You know, we're gonna jack the car off.
We're gonna get demonetized.
Alright, so, and then we're gonna put the front wheel spacers on. This is what it looks like without wheel spacers.
Yeah, get a look at that. Zoom in on this fine piece of Alright, crank it up. Crank it up, femboy.
Alright.
Alright, let's see how good
I just realized what you said. I am not a femboy.
Let's see how good you are at jacking.
Not bad.
Why is this laughing?
Well, you gotta just turn it. You gotta just turn it.
Ah, what's up?
You're pissing her off.
Hey, she's on her period. Leave her alone.
Whoa!
This early into the video already, making period jokes.
Man, we already know.
Oh my god.
You know, you're not very good at getting it up. You know, I'm just saying.
Well,
Myself.
Here, try turning it like a little bit more to the right. See if it all.
oh, there you go.
There we go. It's just a little loose is all. Are the wheels off the ground at least?
I think they might be. No.
No,
Is it not flat enough here? Let's check this side.
You might need a little bit more elevation. I don't know.
I think it's because look, this one's kind of off the ground, right?
I mean, we can just work with the one that's off the ground.
Rock. Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go. We'll just work with the one that's off the ground.
And then we'll move it.
Wait, can I
We can just do
wheel?
on the other side.
Does it spin? Oh yeah, it's off the ground.
All right. Let's get this wheel off. Basically, Ford's retarded.
What the f?
There we go.
Those are some mad noises, you know.
You better read out all the fucking pictures.
Yeah.
Over here, though. She's scared of the camera.
These are nipples.
She's a little camera
Just
shy.
like naturally right.
Yeah, he's a natural. I'm sure. Alright. Not gonna rip this. Don't you dare dent my rim. Unless you want to pay for new rims.
How's he gonna dent it? You need muscle to do that.
Alright, guys. This is the new wheel spacer.
Jeez. Look at that. All shiny and
Yep. I got this for $60 on Facebook Marketplace.
To be fair, Facebook Marketplace is the way to go.
Is the way to go. Like, best. Like, better than Craigslist, better than eBay. I'll sit like that. Let Go is a piece of crap, you know. Let's the moment of truth, guys.
Let's see if it
If
fits.
am not a complete and it fits. Oh. Okay.
Hey. And we still got. Look at all that space where the old one is. Nice.
Nice. So we got the wheel spacer on. It is a 2-inch wheel spacer. I was gonna go with 1.5, 1.5-inch wheel spacers, but these were cheap.
These are thick though.
You know, they're thick as like.
I know someone who put 100 wheel spacers on one side.
I have seen that video. I have seen that video.
Yeah.
That literally came up as I'm researching wheel spacers. Also, what idiot? I told them to keep the lettering on the outside.
The opposite way.
He was lazy. That's what he was. Oh god. Who wants to do it?
I'll do it.
Who wants to do the honors?
Can I do it?
You can do it, Jasmine.
If you think you can lift it up.
Let's see if I can. Oh, no, too weak.
I'll do it.
That's fucking women for Jesus. Benny, you gotta straighten it. There you go.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
Slides right in. Looks like
It doesn't even look that much different.
How much is it poke?
We'll see. We'll see what
What's better?
Got a little poke.
Oh yeah. Should we let it
Oh,
down?
look at Ginger. Look at Ginger.
Oh my gosh. Oh, she got it. She got it. Oh my god.
Wait,
I think
what?
She got it. I think she got it.
No way.
No, Ginger. She got it. No, she got it.
No way.
She got it.
No way.
Oh no, she lost it. No, she was this close. Dude, she was this close.
Next time. Or we could. Oh, this guy is a maniac. Here, so this is with spacers, and then this is without.
The pin, like, broke.
Wait, what the f?
Okay, so we can try to twist it. There. This isn't good.
Uh-oh.
Now how are we... Dude, now how are we supposed to jack up and do the suspension? You idiot.
Bro, I didn't do it, I swear. I was just twisting it to lower
Dude,
it down.
you idiot.
Bro, I swear.
To see the finished piece of this
Bro,
on video.
it wasn't me, I swear. Just real slow, real slow. Dude, 15 minutes or so to take this off of there because this thing doesn't come down.
Because we f***ed it up.
Here, let me show you guys what we're working with here. We're working with this, and we just back the truck up over this.
Okay. Oh no, we don't need to take that out. We don't need to take that out, trust me.
No?
Put it back in. That's just to hold this in. Look at that. So what happened was, see, these are the pins that hold.
Oh wait, so hold on. So this is what we need to
go onto this. So f that. Dude.
We f***ed the jack up. I mean, we got something real cool out of it. Good. You're good. We're good. We got the jack down.
We got it. We f***ing got it. Now we're gonna get the back end.
How long did this take? An hour.
An hour.
This took an hour.
Dude, I don't know what the f happened.
I don't know. Wait, what'd you hit? It was something like underneath here.
I don't know.
That you like hitting.
I was just like tapping it and making it rotate. I think it just didn't.
I mean, it's free now, so I mean, we can go on to do the other. Bro, watch it. As soon as we jack up that side, it's gonna get stuck again.
Whatever.
Unless you want to bet. I mean, we have like the little ramp thing in the brakes,
Yeah.
so I mean, we're good. That's how it used to look,
No, it's not as bad.
and this is how it looks now. Damn. Okay.
Oh
Okay.
my god. So there's more offset in this side. So these are wider than your front.
Ah, okay.
Because look here. See what I mean? Like if you look at this.
Oh yeah.
Well, that's good. I mean.
Jeez. Okay.
Dude, it looks so much better. My key. I'm having this dilemma again. It's on my neck. Dude, I don't remember putting it on my neck, bro.
We were searching for like what, half an hour for your key.
Dude. And it's on my neck the whole time.
Alright, let's get your first impressions of how it rides and how it drives.
It feels, I don't know. I don't know, maybe I'm just feeling things, but it feels a lot higher. I don't know. I'm just feeling things. So it does rub. You hear it? Yeah, I can feel it in the steering wheel. See how it pulls you back?
Oh yeah.
Turn right on Lee Street.
Shut the fuck up! Where the f*** are you? No one f***ing asked.
There's the car all of you guys like. There it is. Okay, here, I'll go out, I'll take a look, and you just like turn the wheel.
Yeah. That might be an issue.
Right.
You want to check something on my dash? What are the light?
This is the parking brake light.
No.
Oh, it's a 4-wheel drive light.
Alright, let's take it for a ride.
That'll do it. Bro, wait, so what, we left in low?
Yeah, it was a 4-wheel drive.
That would probably do it then.
So how is my turning?
Ooh.
Dude, oh my god, dude. So you guys don't feel it, right? But whenever I turned tight like that, like I've taken that turn about 5 million times because I go over to this house all the time, right? And I try to whip around that corner, it feels like it's like rubs you into like, it feels like you're like leaning in. Now, it doesn't. And that's one of the only, I mean, especially the aggressive look as well I like, but that was another issue I was having, where, and I was reading up on it on all the forums, right? And what they were all saying was, if you add spacers, it lowers the center of gravity, because all the this is the second gen. This is the second gen Forerunner. There's a first gen, but the first and second gen had rollover issues. Also, you can listen to my idle. It's pretty goddamn terrible.
No,
and I think
let's see it.
Okay, it doesn't do it. It only does it. It is doing it.
It's behaving for the camera. Oh, okay, there it goes.
Is it gonna stall out? Nope.
Probably not. Just going a little bit low.
Yeah.
Well, let's get another look at this thing, shall we? Jeez. It actually looks so much better now.
Dude. Oh god. Let's go.
Bro, it looks so much better. Jeez.
I might actually, the guy I bought it from, I might send it. Like,
Damn.
ridiculous.
Damn.
I'm gonna go get Benny.
Alright, I want to see his reaction. What is
this?
Just some rando.
What is this?
Don't give him any
Is
attention.
he following me? Is he gonna follow
Bro,
me?
watch.
Dude, is he following me? He's following me.
Yeah.
Dude, what the fuck?
Goodbye. Bro, watch. He's gonna turn left.
We're being stalked.
No, wait. Yeah, he's going.
Oh, he went straight.
Oh my god. Dude, but no, he
What
had
the
to have been
hell?
following me. He had to have been following me because he literally just did a U-turn. Just went in the parking lot, then it flipped a U-turn.
Bro, that's so weird. What the hell?
Like, and just followed us.
Bro, watch him.
Dude, what the? What the? Dude, should we flip it around?
Fucking follow him.
How the turntables.
How the tails turn.
Also, your f***ing high beams. Turn them off. You
Bro,
too.
what? Those are low beams. Their fog lights are on.
Oh. Dude, those are just bright ass lights. Alright, should I whip it around the corner?
Yeah. Not bad.
Dude, honestly, like my back end would have slid out there.
Okay, that is the end of another successful install on Eli's Explorer. That was fun. I know I'm not doing a lot of work on my own cars right now, and that's because I am busy with stuff, but I do enjoy doing stuff like this because, one, I don't have to spend my own money, and two, because it's really fun to hang out with the boys. So that's going to be it for this video. We're gonna install the struts in another video, either next video or video after, depending on if I film something on my own time. But that is besides the point. We're gonna end the video here. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to go ahead, leave a like, comment below, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye. Jeez.
A strong specimen.
Oh yeah, this is our bitch here. I'm just
Bitch on a bitch.
Wait.
Bitch on a bitch.
Are you talking about the girl or the dog?
Both female obstacles.
Alright. Hey guys, this film has just turned into an adult. Hey, shut the fuck up!
He's actually just set up his alarm.
They're stale.
Oh yeah, let's put this in the video.
No, I swear to God, I'm fucking killing you.
Oh my god! Holy shit! Holy shit! Jesus!
I almost fucking died. Hey, that Texas man is racist and he's trying to kill me.
Jesus Christ! Bruh, you can't do donuts in a front-wheel drive car.
Come on! For people that don't know about Culver's, best f***ing fast food restaurant, and I'm talking.
If you don't live in Wisconsin, then you can't
Or
eat it.
neighboring states. They have them in like Illinois, and yes, I'm saying Illinois because it's
Too bad California. You get In-N-Out, we get Culver's. It's better.
What's your opinion on this, Benny?
It's good.
Nice.
Better than McDonald's. At least I'm not
Zoom in on that.
At least I'm not ingesting cancer.